Introducing the stunning 2022 Mercedes-benz E-class E 222D2784. Door auto in a sleek grey colour. This luxurious saloon boasts a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission, packed with comfort and safety features, including air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, LED lights, and much more. The interior offers luxury trim and cup holders for added convenience. With security features like centralised locking, parking assistance, and anti-collision system, you'll feel safe and secure on the road. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Mercedes-Benz. Call us or visit fitzpatricksgarages.ie for more information.